Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to review and approve a vendor's registration after they've submitted their details. From the home page, open Procurement, go to Vendors, and open Vendor Registrations. Here you'll find every registration a vendor has submitted. New submissions appear with a submitted status and an approve action, so you can see at a glance what's waiting on you. Click into a registration to review everything the vendor has provided. You can go through each section in full, their basic information, company address, and MSME details, all captured directly from the vendor. Continue through their business details, contact persons, and bank details, adding or adjusting anything as needed. Their uploaded KYC documents, the GST certificate, PAN card, and cancelled check can be viewed right here, and you can request any additional documents through a document upload request. You can also assign internal fields like the account ledger purpose, and the existing vendors panel helps you catch any duplicates before approving. Once everything checks out, click Approve. OEMup confirms the action. Approving the registration creates a vendor account and automatically sends login credentials to the vendor's email. The registration is now marked approved, and the vendor is ready to work with. You can also resend the invitation or reject a submission when required. That's how you review and approve a vendor registration in OEMup. In the next video, we'll learn how to request quotations from your vendors.